Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas and welcome to Nailmas Day 24, which is landing on Christmas Eve. So today I have this really fun, festive Christmas tree design with some little kind of stars or snowflakes, however you want to look at the little white spots as. I know I would prefer, like little stars or sparkles, not snowflakes. So that's what I'm going to go with, but you are welcome to imagine it however you would like. The first step, you want to start with first you want to put on a base coat, and then you want to put on a red polish on all of your nails because that is the base for this nail art. I am using Zoya's Tanya. And then I'm going to let that dry and start by putting in my Christmas trees with some green acrylic paint. I'm starting with the background trees. So I'm going to be doing 2 lighter green triangles to each side of my nail. So one to one side and one to the other side. I am using the Orly short detailer brush, which I'm sure you guys already guessed. That has been like the star of the show this season. And then I'm going to let that dry for a little bit, but not too long. And then I'm going to start the middle big centerpiece tree. And for this, I'm going to use an evergreen acrylic paint. And I'm going to start similarly to how I've done in a few other videos where I kind of put the base of the tree, then put the line for the bottom, and then I kind of just work up from there. I find that the easiest way to create a semi-symmetrical tree. I'm really not good at centering things or doing things symmetrically, so I have found this to be a big help. And I'm just going to continue to do that until I have a very full, plump looking tree. After that is done, I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and I'm actually going to move to the background trees again, and I'm going to go in with that evergreen paint and just give it some little lines to create some dimension and texture to them. Then after that, I'm going to go in with a lighter green and do a similar sort of line, but a curved line in the bigger center green tree to do the same thing to give it some texture and dimension. It really just kind of brings it all together and makes it look a little bit less cartoony, maybe, possibly, maybe not, I don't know. But after that is done, I'm going to, of course, clean off my brush. I'm using the same brush for everything here, and I'm going to give the trees white bases because I saw a cute gift bag at the store and they had white bases on the trees and I thought it looked really cute, so I thought I would do the same. And then I'm gonna use the white that's left over on my brush to create some little stars or snowflakes or little shimmers, whatever you want it to be, on the negative space of this design. And I'm also going to use the white for the star on the top of the tree, and I'm going to add some squiggly garland to the main center tree. Now after that is done, I'm going to go in with a glittery nail polish and I'm going to put on some ornaments in the tree. I'm also going to use this to kind of fill in some dots that I put on my nails as well, some little circles. And for that, I was using the Painted Phalanges. It's a Saturnalia Miracle because it's a super festive glitter. Then I topped it off with a top coat, and here is the final look at this design. I feel like it was really cute, super festive, and actually it turned out to be one of probably my favorites of the season, so that's pretty cool that it landed on one of the biggest days, being Christmas Eve. Then, of course, tomorrow's is probably hands down my favorite, and you will totally understand why. Tomorrow's not going to be a tutorial. It's actually going to be a fun little time lapse because chances are you're probably not going to do Christmas nails on Christmas. So that is it for today. I can't wait to show you tomorrow's design, and I will see you back here tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas Eve. Bye.